Hi everyone, welcome to Retail ME TV studio. I'm Zahabia, joined with Noor from Chai Shai. She's the founder and CEO. It's the first Pakistani-owned cafe in Ajman. Hi Noor, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Zavia? Thank you so much for having me over.
I'm going to jump right in. So that's a very impressive title to have, the first Pakistani cafe in Ajman. Tell us a little bit about what that journey has been like.
Actually, it was pretty crazy because I never intended to open up a cafe. I mean, I come from a very different background. I'm a medical doctor by profession.
Wow.
And somehow along, I just realized that my heart is into something else. I was more of a community person, more of a people's person, and I wanted to give back something to the community. And we noticed that there was in fact, there were none. There was a huge lack of space for Pakistani and Indian people in Ajman, where people can go out, hang out with their friends and family, and enjoy a nice ambience and food and culture. So, I mean, when I wanted to jump from medical to business, I opted for opening a restaurant, and that's how Chai Shai was born.
So what's the concept behind the brand? I know it's obviously Pakistani focused, but
Yeah.
what's an overview?
The overview is actually we are portraying tradition, which is very common in India and Pakistan. We portray the culture, we portray the traditions, our traditional food, how we serve them, and the taste, of course. And our menu is exclusively desi. Okay, we have the typical, it's very common in India and Pakistan, the dal chawal, the biryani, the halwa puri, the gol gappe.
Hungry now.
Yeah. And the way we present it, it's very different because in Pakistan we have the truck art. There's a form of art, very famous truck art, and we have little carriages, and we have little buses which are completely colorful.
Yeah.
So we present our food on top of that, and people, they just really loved the idea, the ambience, along with this. So that's the whole theme behind it. It's colorful, it's vibrant, it portrays a lot of culture, tradition, and of course with the music and everything.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing in Chai Shai.
So I'm not sure if you've noticed, at least in the past, I mean, I'm sure you have, in the past, I think 4-5 years maybe, there's been a new trend of sort of glamifying your regular khana, the food that you're so used to having, food like you said, just paratha and chai. Now, if you go to those same places, they have it with Nutella and lotus and
Yeah, true
pistachio
that,
and
yeah.
all of these
Yeah.
things. So, but a lot of people surprisingly have a taste for that.
Yes, true.
So how do you find that balance? Is that something you factor in to bring in trends as well while staying true to, that this is the food I like, but this is also the food some other people like?
It's actually it's very difficult to juggle creativity and your own selfish needs, like you mentioned.
Of course.
And of course, the choice of the public. Now, if there is a trend of Nutella paratha, okay, I might introduce it as an experiment, even though personally, pistachio paratha, Nutella paratha is definitely not my piece of cake, and I would definitely never order it because I'd rather stick to omelette paratha or maska paratha or the plain paratha. But if the public is asking for it, then why not? Because you have to go with the flow. You have to go with it. If it's trending, there is no harm in trying it.
So pistachio paratha leads me to my next question. What's next for the business?
Being an experiential restaurant and cafe, I'm always looking for ways where I can engage my customers and keep them, coming back to Chai Shai. We're also planning to, do something for the Guinness record. It's something
Wow.
big coming up. So yeah, and perhaps a second branch maybe.
Oh,
So
wow.
events, the Guinness record, and a branch. This is what's lined up
Fingers
for Chai Shai.
crossed.
Hopefully, inshallah.
What's been the most rewarding part of your journey so far?
The rewarding part is being here, first of all. Isn't that rewarding? Chai Shai, when people come up to me, they're coming from Europe, and they're coming from Canada, and they're coming from London, and they say, oh, we heard about you, and we've just come all the way because we saw your pictures, and you're such a happening place. That is rewarding. That is a push factor, that really gets me going, and I'm like, okay, I need to take this a little more forward.
Awesome. Thank you so much for being a part of this. It
Thank
was
you so
so
much.
nice to speak to you.
Likewise,
And
Abia.
I mean, this is a crazy pivot to go from medicine to food. I can't even imagine what that journey has been like. But it's been successful
been a roller
so
coaster,
far.
but it's been fun.
amazing. I'm sure.
Thank you
Thank
so
you so much, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the event.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much.